Guys, here's a 1/18 scale 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe Maestro that just got released. It's in white with black stripes. Super cool, super detailed. As you see, it features opening trunk on the front. Beautiful detailed interior and a detailed engine on the back. What I've done is install working lights in this car. Lights run off a 1.9 volt battery hidden right here, easy to replace. The on and off switch is on the bottom right here. So let me turn the lights on. So you have the bright headlights, you have the undercarriage blue lights, rear tail lights. You have some lights in the engine compartment so you can see a little bit better, and you have some interior lights again to see the interior a little better as well. It'll be up on eBay. eBay name is 6877 Mercedes. Please ask all questions before you bid. It does come with its box. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much.